So it's 8 p.m. on Sunday, September 8th. Just been trying to choke, so maybe I'll capture one from the very beginning. What I guess I would love to see happen today. That's real shit anyway. Just trying to enjoy our life. Sucks. So once this show, so everyone feels like it's going to be the ending. Ripping means that my sphincter muscle is open, which means that it's just an open channel for your stomach. I'm afraid to say anything. Certainly got gonna happen for the camera. Probably start. How did I sign off?